Hello and welcome to another video on our KMS channel. My name is Daniel and I'm part of the KMS Global Style Council. Today I want to show you a wild natural texture. We already washed and conditioned the hair with the MOISTREPAIR Cleaning Conditioner. And now I will apply small amounts of the HAIRPLAY Molding Paste from roots to the ends all over to create that natural wild texture. Now I will dry his hair by using the hair dryer and just my fingers. I will massage the hair and watch out for the natural movement, like this cow slick he's got here in the front. For the finish, I'm going to use the molding paste again. The great thing about that product is I can use it in the style, on wet hair, as well as on dry hair for the finish. I hope you enjoyed it, so see you next time for another styling look on our KMS Pro channel.